Hey guys, it's Anna here again with For Real. We're all about making tech more accessible, and today we've got a real gem for you. That iPhone in your pocket, ever had it get stuck zoomed in? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Let's dive right in and solve that problem together. Alright, so first things first, why does our iPhone even zoom in like that? Well, it's not a glitch but a feature. Apple thoughtfully includes a zoom feature in their software for those with visual impairments to help them see better. Now, if your phone is stuck zoomed in, it's likely you accidentally turned on this feature unknowingly. Now let's try to wrestle back control of that screen, shall we? One way to zoom in or out is by double tapping the screen with 3 fingers. And if that doesn't work, don't stress, just try again, but a little quicker this time. And remember, don't let your fingers bunch up too close. If your screen is zoomed in, you can still navigate around by dragging with 3 fingers. And hey, if you're finding this useful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our awesome content. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's something else you'd like us to cover. Alright, back to business. What if the 3-finger tap isn't working? Well, your iPhone might be having a moment and could be a bit unresponsive. When this happens, a force restart could give it the jolt it needs. If the restart doesn't work, don't worry, we're not out of options. It's time for us to dive into the settings. Here's how. You can navigate your zoomed-in iPhone by dragging with 3 fingers to get to the Settings app. From there, just follow the path. Go to Settings, to Accessibility, and then to Zoom for iOS 13 and later. And for those on iOS 12 or earlier, go to Settings, to General, to Accessibility, and then finally to Zoom. Then it's as simple as turning off the Zoom feature. Or, if you're more comfortable using a computer, you can also turn off Zoom from iTunes or Finder. Connecting your iPhone to your computer, preferably one it's been paired with before, can allow you to navigate through to a place where you can turn off Zoom under accessibility settings. Once you're done, just sync with your iPhone to apply the new settings. To wrap things up, remember that if you don't need to zoom in on your screen to read small text, there's no reason to keep that zoom functionality turned on. By turning it off, you say goodbye to the accidental zoom-ins. And that's all, folks. Hopefully, you'll never have to worry about an unexpected zoom-in again. This is Anna with For Real signing off. Keep it real and keep it techie. See you in the next video.